Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen finds this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Art Secret 16-pack 4 magnetic spice jar. Hexagon glass set stands out as a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for spice organization. Crafted from high-quality glass, these jars not only ensure that your spices are stored safely, but also highlight the beauty of your pantry or kitchen space. The material is food-grade, BPA-free, and lead-free, ensuring that your spices are kept in a safe and healthy environment. Each jar has a 4-ounce capacity, which is ideal for a variety of spices, from herbs to blends, allowing you to keep your culinary essentials within easy reach. The hexagonal design sets these jars apart from typical round containers, offering a unique.
Number 4. The Rubbermaid. Brilliance food storage containers stand out as a reliable and versatile option for everyday food storage needs. Constructed from BPA-free plastic, these containers prioritize safety alongside durability, ensuring that your food remains protected without the risk of harmful chemicals leaching into your meals. One of the most notable features is their crystal-clear design, which not only allows for easy visibility of contents, but also adds an appealing aesthetic to kitchen storage. With a capacity of 757 milliliters, these containers are perfectly suited for a variety of uses, from meal prep to leftovers, accommodating a range of portion sizes effectively. In terms of practicality, the dimensions of 10.2 L into 819 W into 5.67 H make them easy to stack and store in the refrigerator or pantry, maximizing space efficiency. They also feature secure latching lids which provide a leak-proof seal, making them ideal for soup sauces and other liquids, eliminating concern.
Number 3. The Whiskware Pancake Batter Dispenser and Mixer is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of preparing and serving pancake batter. With its sleek white design, it not only looks appealing in any kitchen, but also reflects the brand's commitment to functionality and style. This product stands out for its all-in-one approach. The integrated mixing feature ensures a smooth batter without the need for additional utensils. The silicone head allows for easy mixing of various batter types, avoiding any clumping and ensuring an even consistency, perfect for fluffy pancakes, crepes, or even cake batters. The dispenser is incredibly user-friendly. It has a precise pouring spout that enables mess-free serving, making it ideal for pancake breakfasts and special brunch occasions. The control over portion size means you can create evenly sized pancakes every time, enhancing presentation and cooking efficiency. Cleaning up after use is hassle-free, as the Whiskware dispenser.
Number 2. The Secura 17-Oz Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser stands out in both functionality and design for anyone seeking to enhance their hygiene routine. With a sleek brushed nickel finish, it adds a modern touch to any bathroom or kitchen. The dispenser measures 6.1 inches in length, 3.3 inches in width, and 8.7 inches in height, making it compact enough to fit in various spaces while still holding a generous 17 ounces of liquid soap. Constructed primarily from durable plastic, the body is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring longevity in everyday use. The automatic feature is particularly impressive. It delivers an accurate amount of soap with just a wave of the hand, promoting a touch-free experience that minimizes the spread of germs. This can be especially beneficial in households with children or in shared spaces. One of the key advantages of this dispenser is its versatility. It works well with a wide variety of liquid soaps from hand washes to dish soap, allowing you to customize.
Number 1. The Nuova Brio 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances, offering a remarkable combination of versatility and efficiency. Its generous 15.5 quart capacity makes it ideal for families or those who love entertaining, allowing you to prepare large meals with ease. One of the standout features of this appliance is its programmable capabilities. Users can choose from a variety of cooking settings, simplifying meal preparation. The digital interface is intuitive, enabling even the most novice cooks to navigate the settings without confusion. The ability to save your favorite recipes ensures that meals can be prepared quickly and consistently. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the Brio not only boasts a sleek appearance, but also assures long-lasting performance. The material's resistance to rust and easy cleaning make it a practical choice for everyday use. Its compact dimensions, 13D into 1425, W into 1625H, allow it to fit comfortably.